Hello and welcome to Digital Ignite. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to become a millionaire by doing online business. With the advent of the internet, it has become easier than ever to start a business online and turn it into a profitable venture. If you're looking to become a millionaire through online business, then stay tuned as we'll be sharing some key insights and tips on how to achieve this goal. Section 1. Choose the right business idea. The first step to becoming a millionaire through online business is to choose the right business idea. You need to identify a gap in the market and come up with a unique business idea that caters to that gap. Do your research and analyze the market trends to see what is currently in demand. Once you have a business idea, make sure to validate it and test it out before investing your time and money. Section 2. Develop a solid business plan. Once you have a business idea, the next step is to develop a solid business plan. This plan should outline your business goals, target audience, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. Your business plan should be detailed and realistic, and it should serve as a roadmap for your business. Section 3. Build a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is essential for any online business. You need to create a website that is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. You should also have a presence on social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to reach a wider audience. You need to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience to attract more followers and potential customers. Section 4. Monetize your online business. There are several ways to monetize your online business. You can sell products or services, offer subscriptions, or generate revenue through advertising. To maximize your profits, you need to create a pricing strategy that is competitive and profitable. You should also focus on creating a loyal customer base and repeat business through excellent customer service and quality products. Section 5. Keep learning and evolving. To stay ahead in the game, you need to keep learning and evolving. The online business landscape is constantly changing, and you need to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Attend webinars, read books, and connect with other online entrepreneurs to gain insights and knowledge. Keep experimenting and tweaking your business strategies to stay competitive and profitable. Becoming a millionaire through an online business is not easy, but it is achievable if you follow these key insights and tips. Choose the right business idea, develop a solid business plan, build a strong online presence, monetize your business, and keep learning and evolving. With hard work, perseverance, and dedication, you can turn your online business into a lucrative and successful venture. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.